Guys, this how are you, everyone? Everyone, are you completed your dinner? Good. Yeah, I'll start the session. I'll start the session. Everyone taken Chapati saying is done. Okay. Good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jignesh. Okay, guys. This session I'll be taking in the point of view of placements as well as your career. But if you are thinking about your DSA to get marks in your college, sorry to say I'm not gonna teach you every I will be giving you exact roadmap uh how you can get the things done well. So basically, I'll be sharing a 6 months of roadmap for a whole DSA until data analysis of algorithms, which means like ending of data structures from starting. Like if you, I won't say that what do you say, it's not compulsory to follow the same path, but it's the pattern which many great many mentors of GFG suggest that thing. And yeah, I not ask you like I'm audible to everyone. I'm just going
Yes.
on.
Yes, bhai, yeah.
Are you getting me? By the way, I'm going a little fast. Otherwise,
Yeah. Yeah.
ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు డిఎస్సి
yeah,
చెప్తావా?
yeah. See, I'll be covering. See, I don't know. I'll be covering for 6 months. In which I'll you can start from beginner. Like if you don't know anything about data structures, or if you are starting at, if you are just you need to be somewhat intermediate, not beginner of coding, like basics of coding. If you're just intermediate, it's enough. You can get it done. And one more thing is I'll be covering until the end, like how to after 6 months or like how to use the DS and how to get all the things well. And basically, I'll be sharing a PPT, and this was shared by GFG itself. Uh, this was last time when we are having a roadmap session. After the session, speaker has shared with us, so he explained everything in this one. And I have been saying this data structure roadmap since 4 to 5 months, and I've been saying to many students. So I have been habituated with that PPT, and I'm okay. Many of the people was able to get saying that it's beneficial for them. Like it is at the end, you'll be having all the platforms for each and every topic. That topic usually contains that only I'm saying now it will be basically at the point of your placement, like all your four knowledge sessions and basically the sessions are called knowledge sessions in GFG. So all the four knowledge sessions will be other than academics, which you will be not learning in the college. You will be uh, I or anyone else will be teaching any of the GFG students. GFG what to say core team who was qualified from GFG will be taking will be taking sessions, and these will be useful for your placements. I told it's like you don't think you need to attend this session because of your attendance. I told first day itself we gonna not fail you. We'll pass you. That's it. If you want to listen, if you think it's useful for you, you can join us. Otherwise, just say I'm there in your group. Just send me message Rohit, I'm not gonna come this session. Please give me marks. I'll give. I'm saying first day itself, but it's up to you whether you whether it's useful for you or not. And okay, further no delay, let's start with the session. Yeah, I guess everybody comfortable with the marking schema. I guess everyone. I hope. Just say me I asked him early in the morning. Like yesterday, sorry to say that yesterday I was on campus, so I met few of you on the in campus. So if you told her it's okay, they were okay with the present how to say present procedure of the take marking schema. If anybody are not in anybody wants some update or some relaxation from that, you can just send us a chart so that we will be thinking. Remember one thing. If one message, it will be for all. Like it will be updated for everyone. Like we cannot allocate one marking schema for each and every student. So everything will be common for all 120 students. Okay, further on, no delay. I'm gonna share everything. Yeah. See, basically this roadmap, I don't know, it will be covering until 6 months. 6 months. It will be it will be from it. I don't know. I'm repeating like that. Those are a few students who are joined now. So it will be from scratch to advanced. Like if you are, it will be this roadmap will be covering all the topics of DSA data analysis algorithm and on what do you say? If you're thinking about each and every company, then like this along this slide, like along this PPT, what I'm saying will contain at least like 50% of the weightage of your any examination because DSA is the thing is most like rated subject. It's not overrated or it's not underrated. It's exact rated because like DSA DSA covers the concepts which is basically full of logical building as well as ability, and these skills will be useful for the companies to like to go train you after they like after you boarded them. That's why DSA is rated, not overrated or underrated. Let's know. Let's go on. And yeah, okay, yeah. Like this like after learning DSA, you will be like you after like while you are doing the examinations and while you're doing the code problems, you will be having the similar face of him. Like you will be habituated and like let's start right now. Let's go on. Yeah. See, like DS is a thing which cannot be cannot be completed, not like learned, cannot be completed either in 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. It's a learning process. I told this will be given for 6 months because you will be continuously assessing yourself. And if you are thinking about a placement or higher studies or something else, and DSA will be the major part. If you are like, you can ask any like you can ask me or any senior or any of your like any of your relative who is in software field, they'll say like importance of DSA in every field, like after your after you once you're coming out of the career also, like after the college, not career, sorry. And like first month, I don't know, at least of like if you are at least like learn until before starting this thing, at least like you can cover until object oriented program. I prefer you to either take C++ or Java DSA. Like there will be option to choose code in Python also, but if you last time I told right. So if Java and C++ will have like will not have time constraint errors a lot, but Python do have like it will be having a lot of limitations. That's why like many suggest to take DSA in Java, C++ because you can understand the like easily you can understand the topics. And first month you can cover the basics of coding like until object-oriented programming. And next month you can go with recursion. I guess everybody know about recursion, right? Guys, recursion. Anybody muted me?
Yeah.
Anyone muted me by the way? No one, I guess. Okay.
No.
Yeah, I'm seeing few hands on recursion. Yeah. Okay. Start okay. Hello, Bhaiya. Hi, Saurav. Yeah, I'm going back. No, wait, further on, not, no, sorry. Sorry, guys. I told you. Okay. Like in second month, you can go for recursion because like in DSA, after starting DSA, well, like recursions will be the concepts which like you need to approach a problem. Like let us take a random problem. I'm saying there will be a problem statement given for you. It requires continuous approach. Like you should like they'll be giving test cases. So continuation of function required in the like code. That's why we will be. I'm saying like this pattern was saying like this roadmap contains recursion first. After recursion, searching. Basically, everybody does say searching at the end, like to prefer searching at the end. But if you started searching at the starting, right, like so you can understand the easiest way, like time complexities and everything. You can easily understand like when you're done with time complexities, if you go for searching, searching algorithms like BFS and DFS, there are many searching algorithms. If you've done those, like you can like you can get to know the like element positions and as well as when you're learning hoops, I prefer like I decide to say learn pointers concept. Like it will be just 10 minutes or 15 minutes concept pointers. Remember the thing. And next comes sorting. Yeah, sorting like there are many types of sorting, merge sorting, like go on, like there are total many sortings, like there are total 6 type of sorting. You can go with them. And next one, this all will be covering in like you can cover in second month. Like don't think about the month, but think about the like order of the out of the what you say to concepts to learn. And next one, okay, cycle sort. I do say not more required. Prefix some sliding windows. Okay, these all are normal sums. Yeah. Here comes data structures. Yeah. From here you will be learning all the data structures. Okay. See, last time I told you, if you want to do data structures, one thing you should know about like how to approach a problem, rather to use like array at the time when we should use array and when we should use tab, when we should use linked list. These all things you should know. Like I'm saying, and I'll be saying each and everything. Like if you, I'll be saying about stack. If stack, right? So it will be like a water glass. So it will be only just it will have only push and pop operations. Like so, if there will be like option like there will be water in the jug. So if you wanna to add the, if you need to multiply the number, and you need to get into the like you need to add it to the water. So it will be directly you can understand like you should apply stack there. And if it like last in first out and it's a stack and first in first out, everything you should like you can understand like link array stack linked list. Next one, okay, these are already done. Yeah, from here, like advanced data structures started like graphs, binary search tree. Again, it's here like binary trees as well as graphs. These all are like basically heap priority queues. These are called heaps. Basically, set heap, map heap, unordered set and all ordered set. So that's all like here comes the like that here from here we will be studying about data analysis of algorithms like backtracking dynamic. These all will be learned in your third year. But why I'm saying to learn is like these along this slide contains at least like 40% of the companies gives only on this slide, like what I'm showing you, backtracking as well as dynamic programming. These two are okay. I'll be writing better. I'm not good at writing. See, backtracking and dynamic programming. These two are the concepts. Mostly 30% of the companies like approach, because these two will be covering all the concepts of previous, like every concept like backtracking. I'm just saying an example. Let us take a like I'm just saying an example where how what is meaning of backtracking. Let us take like this, and like there is a part here and it's closed. This is closed. So you should approach this one like you should. Here is the starting point. You should approach this like circle one. So you normally you say like we can approach like a binary search tree like while we'll go here and while we'll go here. But here the objects are free, but there will be a situation like you have to check search all the time. At that time you'll be using backtracking. You'll be starting from here as well as from end. So backtracking is a problem where we will be starting from the starting as well as from the ending. Yeah. And DP contains many like DP is basically dynamic like DP contains many concepts, all the concepts like the graphs and graphs, streaks, see, not trees as well as heaps. Sorry, like there was mistake. And next, okay. Like this was okay. However, you are from G, like you all are as the companies from GFG, so we need to take care of like this was from GFG. This is also same what I have done, what I've told like until now. Yeah, these are all the concepts in from YouTube. Like everything is free resource in this one. All the things like you can. This is the slide. I'll be showing you PPT. Don't take share, don't take screenshots. It contains all your like all the problems of your cat, fat, everything. And cat fat as well as the ending concepts like until progress like placement of your point of yours. And I guess many of your faculties will be saying this like Abdul Bari, and I guess there is this one, Jen. Yeah, this is one. These all are basically will be teaching you the concepts, not coding. These all be the like how to do the things like how to learn if you want to learn about Q like Jenny. I guess many of you know Jelly. Jenny lectures anybody? Anybody uses Jenny here? Like Jenny lectures for your clearing, not anybody uses.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and here these all are the things. If you are like if you are wants to learn for placement of point of view, these all things are the main thing. Like these all will be having elaboration of like previous every previous slide was about the concept, but these all were like these all will be having you these all in YouTube. So when you click the link in this, you will be immediately directed to the playlist of these. Like if you've taken a Harvard CS50, it's the like course contains each and every topic of CSE, and it was basically taught by Harvard. This like what I have learned, right? See, I have seen this Harvard as well as this Harvard GFG as well as free code camp. My first preference was Harvard and second was free code camp because free code camp why I preferred, right? See, free code camp as easy like you can it will be explaining each and every concept in detail, like how to approach the code, how to approach the sums and everything. And these all are the like just read and like just read websites. That's it. Like where you can learn all these things. Here comes a major part. See, actually, this was the basic one. Like you have to start with hacker rank after geeks for geeks after geeks for geeks. It's not necessary to solve all the problems. I'll say like how to start with. See, if you want to learn array concept, yeah, I'll be saying this one, this like before one and before one. See, if you want to start like array, so if you're thinking about just cat point of view, I have uh I have yeah. First, just go with the lectures of with lectures from NISO Academy to learn the concept. Let me say NISO Academy. Afterwards, go to either free code camp or like Harvard CS50. Like in a Harvard CS50, you will be having problems just like basic problems of this array. Afterwards, come to your hacker rank. Here from here, like it will be useful for your placements. Hacker rank, there will be like there will be session called DSA session. DSA, like it will be having data structures and algorithms. There will be three levels basically: beginner, intermediate, and senior. So, like, I mean, from like when you start with the beginner, it will be having like yeah, any doubt? No, okay. Yeah, it will be having like 10 to like it will be having many problems. Just solve 10 problems here. Afterwards, just go for geeks for geeks. And in Geeks for Geeks, in Geeks for Geeks also there is a plan like inside Geeks for Geeks there is a called problem solving like problem solving. I'll be showing you a demonstration like after this. In GFG, in like you just cover the problems on basic level. After basic, and like intermediate is also fine in GFG. Then coach up is based after when you reach like while you're doing these two, coach up usually conducts like a weekend tests basically. Weekend contests. So just take part of those contests. Like if there will be total in coach of one, you'll be having 4 questions in that. See, initially you'll be able to solve at least like one question. Like at starting, I like honest, I'm saying I used to solve only 0 questions because I should not know the topic. But afterwards, when I use this technique, I like in for second week I got how to approach the one question, only approach, not to code also, only approach. Okay, it's fine. And next week, I am able to code one question. Yeah, like it will be 2 hour 2 hour one, but I am just 2 hour I taken just to solve one question. But if you are able to do that, it's more like you are the one who is above like 40% among like 40% greater than among your peers. And everybody does say like to start lead code at the start, but I will say this is the procedure like because lead code is the platform where all the question, even basic questions will be somewhat like a what do you say, more logical way. So like if you need to approach all the problems, these will be path. But you think like if you thought like well you're doing this NISO like free code camp, and if you're thinking like you're able to get approach direct, you can jump to lead code. Like no need to use these all platforms. Direct you can jump to lead code and do there. And one more thing, like from now like just a minute, okay, where is this erase option, man? Okay, let's go. Yeah, see, if you're doing problems from lead code, one thing like there will be three sessions basically: beginner, intermediate. There also will be having advanced. Advanced are advanced only. And see, when you're doing the sums on like beginner is also called as like it is called as easy in basically in lead code. So I just call it beginner. See, when you're doing beginner sums, total lead code is having right now I guess 3,500 plus problems like in all subjects. Only like it is having like around 1,400 problems on DSA. Like just take one problem per day. It's like one problem per day is enough. Like if you are thinking about DSA and like for companies, I'm saying if you are able to solve lead code medium sums, it's like it's more than enough. But one thing matters is time complexity. I have told him before, I guess. Like for okay, I'm saying time complexity should be your primary goal to learn the things. You may say like why you're saying 10 complexity is the main. Yeah. See, in every exam, out of 15 test cases, eight test cases will just verify by 10 complexity. They'll be seeing output as well as 10 complexity. Like they need the code in the efficient way. Because like there is a possibility like you can get code from ChatGPT and there are many other resources like Blackboard box, something sandboxes. There are many platforms to go which can generate code immediately. But what they does, right? They decreases the time complexity because if they decrease the time complexity, right? So that even like it takes basically if you take a code from ChatGPT, let us assume. See, if you copied a code, like if you copied or get the code from ChatGPT, like it will maximum having big off and login. Let us think like see, basically, they was like before uploading the questions in their platform, just they verify with the ChatGPT as well as Google, but something like they will verify and like okay, they'll come to know that it is maximum of big off and login. So they'll update it as big off. You may say like by copying from ChatGPT, can I can optimize the code? Yeah, there is a like you can do that, but it will be like it will be wasting much of your time to optimize the code. Better you do code yourself from the start like from the starting day itself. I prefer you to do that, and that's all. But yeah, to think lead code and yeah, this is a question. Sort of like how to think on lead code hidden cases. Yeah. Basically, hidden cases are the thing, what the ones which is mostly on, which takes mostly on time complexity ones. Like they'll be considering only time complexity. Like out of 15, 7 will be I like right now when I saw like after solving 30 to 40 problems and I got to know just 5 to 6 will be hidden, and in out of those 6 also 3 to 4 will be on basically on time complexity and one will be on space complexity because like you'll be getting the solution. When once you got to know like all the Zen test cases are running, it easily all the hidden test cases will be run. But right now, let us say 50, out of 15, 8 will be run, 7 will be right, like show to you. So if these 7 were run, like there is maximum possibility of these 8 to 8 are running. But if there is any mismatch out of those 8, it will be mainly on two things, either time complexity error or space complexity.